Hello, and welcome to DevMan AI. In this quick video, I'll give you a brief overview of how fast and easy DevMan AI works. Let's get started. Log into the application, and from the site menu, you'll find all the features available inside DevMan AI. Let's move to AI Developer. In this section, there are two types of AI models: Live Interaction and AI Coder. Click on Live Interaction. We have multiple AI agents here, like Project Manager, Onboarding Assistant, Training Assistant, etc. Let me show you an example with Ethan, the Solutions Advisor. Click on Start, then click Record. How to build a successful AI application, then send.
Building a successful AI application involves a structured approach that aligns technology with business objectives. Here's a strategic framework to guide you through the process. 1. Understand the business. Analyze current systems. Begin by assessing existing systems and workflows. Identify pain points or inefficiencies that AI could address. Engage stakeholders. Ask probing questions to understand the needs of your users. What are their challenges? What outcomes are they hoping to achieve? Identify opportunities. Look for areas where AI can add value, such as automation, enhanced decision-making, or personalized user experiences. 2. Clarify the vision. Define clear objectives. Work with your team to articulate a clear vision for the AI application. This should align with your long-term business goals and market demands. Understand customer needs. Ensure the vision resonates with what your customers truly value. This alignment is crucial for adoption and satisfaction. 3. Break down strategy into action. Create a roadmap. Outline actionable steps required to develop the application. Define phases such as research, development, testing, and deployment. Set timelines and KPIs. Establish milestones and key performance indicators to measure success. This ensures accountability and tracks progress. 4. Deliver insight with simplicity. Simplify complex concepts. Use relatable examples to explain AI functionalities. For instance, if using machine learning for predictive analytics, illustrate how it can forecast sales trends based on historical data. Avoid jargon. Focus on clarity over technical language. Ensure all stakeholders understand the implications of the AI application and its benefits. 5. Encourage strategic thinking. Challenge assumptions. Use data to question established practices. Encourage your team to think about alternative approaches and potential what-if scenarios. Explore new perspectives. Facilitate brainstorming sessions to inspire creative solutions. This can lead to innovative features or applications of AI that hadn't been considered. 6. Support implementation. Regular check-ins. Maintain open lines of communication throughout the development process. Schedule regular updates to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge progress, no matter how small. This keeps morale high and reinforces a culture of achievement. 7. Empower. Don't overwhelm. Build confidence. Provide training and resources to empower your team to use and manage the AI application effectively. This reduces dependency on external support. Foster resilience. Encourage a mindset that embraces change and adaptability. Must. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Being open to learning will drive long-term success. Real-world example, consider a retail company looking to enhance customer experience. By understanding their current sales process, they might discover that customers frequently abandon carts.
Now going back to another feature, AI Coder. Here you have multiple AI coders who can write code for you or your clients. You'll find various AI developers across multiple fields. For example, let's talk to Alex, web developer. Can you please generate a good website in the health niche with login functionality using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? Now heading to the website creation feature. There are two options here, site creation and pages. Let's move to site creation. This feature lets you launch your own AI-powered software website, where users can access live AI developers and you get paid via PayPal. Here's how. Click Create Site. Choose your domain, subdomain, or custom. Upload your logo, set your contact email, add site content, and set your pricing. Once done, your fully automated AI software business ready. Click the link, and your live AI software business is ready to explore. Let's now explore these other key features. Payment integration. Here's where you can connect your PayPal account to start receiving payments from your AI freelancing site. Opt-in subscriber. This section shows emails collected via the form in your site's footer. These are potential leads and clients who've opted in to hear from you. Customers. This shows you a list of users who've purchased services on your site, so you can track sales and manage your clients easily. Extras. You'll also find bonuses, tutorials, and 24/7 support inside the platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy building your own AI developer team with DevMan AI.